Join me as I take on the challenge of becoming my own boss and see if I can really make it work. Being your own boss? It's a dream many of us share, isn't it? The freedom to pursue our own passions, to set our own schedules, to be our own masters. It's an appealing option, especially in today's society where flexibility and autonomy are highly valued. But is it really for everyone? One of the biggest fears people face when considering starting their own business is financial risk. What if I fail? What if I don't make enough money? These are valid concerns, but they often hold people back from taking the leap. Another challenge is uncertainty. How do I even get started? What if I make the wrong decisions? The fear of the unknown can be overwhelming. Then there's the fear of failure itself. What if I'm not good enough? What if I'm not cut out for this? This fear can be especially strong if you've always worked in a traditional 9-to-5 job where someone else takes care of the big decisions. And finally, there's the fear of sacrifice. Will I have to give up too much? Will I have to work too hard? Will I have to make too many compromises? But even with all these fears and challenges, many people still feel drawn to entrepreneurship. So what are the options? One path is freelancing, where you offer your skills to clients on a project-by-project basis. This can be a great way to start, as it allows you to test the waters, so to speak, without fully committing to a business. Another option is starting a small business, where you create a product or service and sell it to customers, or you can become an affiliate for someone else's product. This may require more of an investment, but it can be more rewarding in the long run. Then there's e-commerce, where you sell products online, often through a platform like Amazon or Shopify. Each of these options has its pros and cons, and it's essential to weigh them carefully before making a decision. Let me tell you a story about someone who took the leap and made it work. Her name is Sarah, and she was a stay-at-home mom who wanted to earn some extra income. She started selling handmade crafts online, and soon her business took off. She was making a good income, but she realized she wanted more. She wanted to create something that would make a real difference in people's lives. So she started a blog and began sharing her passion for sustainability and eco-friendly living. Today, her blog is one of the most popular in its niche, and she's able to support her family and live the life she always dreamed of. The turning point for Sarah was when she decided to take a leap of faith and invest in herself by taking courses and getting coaching. This gave her the confidence to pursue her vision and create a business that truly reflects her values. In conclusion, becoming your own boss requires a lot of hard work, determination, and courage. It's not for the faint of heart, but the rewards are well worth it. If you're considering taking the leap, remember that it's okay to be scared, but don't let fear hold you back. Take small steps, educate yourself, and surround yourself with people who believe in you. So what's holding you back from becoming your own boss? Share your thoughts and aspirations in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to start a business, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies to get you started. Thanks for watching.